Okay, great. Uh, Excited about the topic, or do you want to just have a
Yes.
casual conversation?
It is invention and discoveries, right?
Discoveries, yes.
Yeah, we can talk about that.
Great. So, Miss Arushi,
Mm-hmm.
according to you, what do you think is the most important invention made by humans?
Made by
Humans, us.
mobile phone.
Ah, okay.
Okay, and
You want
why
to tell
I'm
us
saying,
why?
yeah, obviously, if phone, smartphone isn't there, then how can we connect? Like, not just we. And this is just an example, like, how would you teach and how would I learn? And
Yes.
like a lot of things. And I think people must have understood the importance of these technical things or gadgets like smartphones, laptop, computers in this 2 year of 2 years of span since
In
pandemic has
this
started.
span of 2 years,
In this span of 2 years, yes, since the pandemic has started and we
we
all are
have been
working from
quite
home.
dependent on our devices.
Exactly. If mobile phones, laptop, computers were not there, I think we were not able to work from home, and it would have been a disaster for us.
We would not have been able to.
We
We
Yeah,
would not
we would
have
not
been
have
able
been
to.
able to work from home. Did I say we were not able to?
Yes, we were not able to. Yes.
Okay.
That
Yeah.
means it happened. So if
Yeah.
I ask
It's a
you,
past.
hey, you were doing that job, why did it not work out? And you can say, we were not able to sell enough products. That means it happened. Right?
Okay.
So if we say
We were
would,
not.
it means that it's possible that we would not have been able to do it.
Okay. Yeah.
But we did.
Yes, we are working and it's still going on.
Exactly. Correct. So do you know how smartphones were invented?
The story. I mean, it is it also has a story or like of course we have telephones and then uh, like we wanted to carry because we cannot carry telephone. So I think
Hmm.
that would have been an idea.
That's
I don't know
true.
the
So I
story
think
actually. Hmm.
the most basic form of invention for the smartphone was telephones in general. How we had landlines, right?
Yes.
Then in the 90s, or I think late 80s, 1980s or 1990s, we decided that we are growing so fast and we want to communicate with people while we are moving around, right? That
Yeah.
is where the
Yeah.
first mobile phone was introduced, not smartphones, mobile phones.
Mobile
And I
phone.
remember my dad had bought one of those and it was so huge. It was about this big. You remember? Have you seen one of those phones?
Yeah. I mean, a long one and that has a stick. I mean, kind of stick,
Yes,
right?
for the
Yes.
antenna, yes. So I think so. I remember I was talking to my mom, and she said
Mm-hmm.
that when in India, obviously everything in India comes late. If it's made in the US, it takes us around 5 years to actually get it. But my dad was really excited for that, and at that time in the 90s, he had spent around 40,000 rupees on a phone, on a mobile.
Oh my God! To buy that button wala phone, I mean, dabbam phone.
Yes, exactly, the big one.
Okay.
And I was
Wow.
so surprised, and I'm like, 40,000 in the 1990s was so expensive, so expensive. This was
Yeah.
a time
Obviously.
where, like, I remember my grandfather told me that in the 60s, he bought a Vespa for 7,000 rupees,
Vespa.
like the scooter.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah,
you are mentioning Vespa, so I just want to know that that time also it has name as Vespa only, or you just
it's a
try to
brand, right?
make me
Italian
understand.
brand.
Okay, okay. Oh,
Yeah,
I
so
thought it's a new one. That's
it's
why.
not. It has been very famous in Italy for a while, and I think he must have bought it second hand. I'm not sure, but either way, he got it, and he remembers that
Yeah.
he had bought it. So 40,000 at that time was huge. So now I think we're having the same thing because we are the new technology that is coming up is obviously AI, but we are not ready for that. The
Okay.
second most innovative feature in a smartphone right now is foldable phones with touch screen,
Foldable.
right?
Yeah, I had
Because
used.
no,
Mm,
that is a
I have
flip
used.
phone.
So what?
No, so foldable phones, there's one from Samsung. So basically, it's about this big. It's a little bigger than this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And you can basically fold it in half with the same touchscreen.
Okay, I got it. Yes.
Yeah, so it's called Galaxy something foldable phone.
Okay.
And right now it starts from about 1,35,000 or 50,000. I'm not sure. So
Okay.
like to buy
That's
a
good.
phone, exactly that time we didn't people didn't even know what mobiles were, what phones were.
Yeah, obviously.
And at that time, imagine how much people would have had to pay to buy a mobile plan. Like,
Actually, I think we have also gone through this stage of life, like plans. I mean, what plans I have to select, and
mhm.
okay, it wasn't that much. We haven't experienced a lot, but still, we had. I think before Geo or something,
Yes.
maybe.
But now since Jio has come, they've completely ruined the market,
Yeah,
and now everyone has to give the same prices, almost the same prices,
yeah, they have no
or
option.
else, or else the clients are like, no, we are going to the other network.
Yeah, right.
True. What about discoveries? What were the most important discoveries we ever made?
Discovery. Okay, okay. I have a question actually. When it comes to discovery, like fire is an invention or discovery?
Discovery.
What do you think? Discovery, right?
Discovery. Yeah.
But I read or watched somewhere that fire is an invention because
Well,
stones
fire is
were.
available in nature, right? Because
Yeah.
if you see a lot of forest fires start because the branches start because of friction, right?
Yes.
We have mountains with a lot of lava in them. We have oil that catches fire just instantly if it gets too hot or anything like that. So it is available in nature. So if it's there in nature, then it has to be a discovery.
Right. Right. So yeah, I think
Electricity is an
fire.
invention. No, electricity is also now electricity is a confusing thing
Electricity.
because
Yeah, whether it is an invention or discovery,
yeah,
because
because
the sources were exist, but it.
we
I
can't
think
harness it.
yes. I mean, it's like how they have thought to create electricity. That is like a big thing. That is called as we can call that invention. I think 70%
Maybe,
invention, 30%
maybe
discovery.
the invention. See, now I'm confused. Maybe the important invention was it was maybe the invention of wires, tube lights, tools that help us control
Yes,
electricity. Maybe
tube
that is an
light.
invention.
Okay, yeah, we can say that.
Hmm. So I think
Mm,
electricity doesn't count as an invention, the discovery, but yeah, the invention is how to manage that discovery, how to use it. So wires, conductors, generators, batteries, these are all inventions that helped us make use of electricity.
okay, but also invention is something that to create. We use our mind or like
Definitely.
advanced technologies to invent
Anything,
something.
almost everything that is man made is an invention.
Yes, efforts by a particular person, a lot of efforts, and we are
Yes,
getting a lot of benefits from it.
definitely. Yes, yes, that
Yes.
is the case. Now tell me, what is one of the inventions or discoveries that we should have not done that has harmed us a lot,
Invention. I
or
think
discovery?
I think atom bombs or like the
Okay,
things which are not
destructive.
good for people, and we are using it in a bad way or for bad purpose. I think those things we shouldn't have been discovered or invented.
That's true. If we hadn't discovered, or sorry, if we hadn't invented atom bombs or even nuclear
Yeah.
bombs, we would have been much safer, and the environment would have been much cleaner. But because of the discovery of atom bombs and in some way nuclear bombs, I'll just use atom bombs as an example. We learned a lot about how atoms work. And without that knowledge, we would not have wireless charging, we would not have Bluetooth headphones, we would not have a lot of things. So
Yeah, that's
everything is,
why. Yeah,
yes, everything is
that's
a
why
stepping stone. We always progress from something, right? So microwaves were also invented like that only. Uh, I want
microwave.
you to do this. Yeah. So Google how they invented the microwave oven and what the inventor was actually trying to do. I won't tell you right now, but he was trying to do something else, and he realized that this happens, and then he decided that okay, this is a better invention.
And these things are actually surprises me a lot. Like some inventions are not planned, or they were
Hmm.
not wanted to invent that, but it just happened. So this, and we are actually using it in our day-to-day life. These inventions are like fascinating for me. Like how
Yeah.
people were so smart those days.
So do you know who
Now
discovered gravity?
gravity
Yes.
discovered gravity.
Yes.
Yeah, it was already existed.
Discovered only, obviously.
Yeah, but we had a like what lesson or something in our school days. So, yeah, I know, but I cannot remember the name now. I'm bad.
So do you know how it was discovered? Forget the name, but how it was discovered? What was the inspiration behind discovering it?
The gravity
Yes, gravity.
inspiration is like what I know is I cannot recall the name, but the person was sitting below the tree and he was reading a
Yes.
book, and like apple or some fruit fall down, and I think
Fell
that is
on
the,
his head.
yes, and that's the story behind the gravity,
Yes,
right?
definitely. Yes, Newton.
Oh
So,
yeah, exactly. How could I forget that? That
yes. So these are things where because of this, because of obviously gravity, our whole life is surrounding that. We know how
yeah.
planes fly, we know how, just give me a second. Yeah. So, yeah, because of the discovery of gravity, we know how we can fly planes, we know how we can
Hmm.
use certain technologies to our advantage, right?
But
So,
the thing is that that time people were so interested. I think interested only to know the things like we when like I am sitting under the tree, and if the same thing happened with me, I don't think I could have been so excited or so curious to know the reason behind it, and I would have done a lot of researches, but they have done. So this
yeah,
is we are
definitely.
not that much curious because I think we are getting everything in our plate, and we just know how to eat it, and that's it. I think.
It also has to do with the fact that we know how things work, right?
Yeah, we
So
already know a lot of things. Maybe that's why we are like,
back then
okay,
there were so many unanswered questions, and only the smartest brains were the first people to ask themselves, why does this happen? Why does the apple fall down and not just float in the air? What is the
yeah,
reason? Right?
yes,
So
yes,
now a lot of things are that are not discovered are things we cannot reach or things we cannot afford to do. Like only 5% of the ocean is unexplored.
yes.
No, sorry.
Unexplored or
Only
explored?
5% of the sea or the ocean is explored. Yeah, sorry, you're right.
Explored, yes.
Hmm.
Because we already discussed this. You only told me that only 5% ocean has been discovered, and I was shocked. So yeah, that's why I remember.
But did you
Have
Google
you
it?
heard? Yes, a little bit, not a lot, but yes, they have also like they have mentioned it. Like it is unbelievable, but yes, it is, and we are trying to search like explore a lot,
We
but
know
we are
more
just
about space than we know about the ocean.
yes,
So, and the only reason is that we cannot afford to keep sending people to the ocean to
to the
either
ocean.
find things out, find new animals or species. And imagine 95% of the ocean is unexplored. How many species or how many types of animals are in the ocean that we don't even know exist?
Yes, yes. Which simply means that we have a lot of telescope. We just need to be curious, like
Newton,
people, Newton,
Einstein, Newton,
Einstein,
Alexander
Graham
Graham
Bell.
Bell.
Yes,
Yes.
like those people. Have you? Of course, you would have known about it, but what was that? Triangle,
Bermuda
Bermuda
Triangle.
Triangle,
Yes.
discovery.
It
That
wasn't a
that discover
discovery. So that's just a place.
sort of thing. People have misunderstood that a lot, right? I
Yeah.
mean, they thought that it's a. I don't get the word. I'm not.
Haunted, alien, something like that.
They thought that there is something, but there was not something, and that wasn't like recently discovered. That thing exists, and people have also, oh God, noticed
Encountered it.
that. Yes,
Yeah.
like someone has mentioned in the book also. I don't know.
Thunderstorms and everything. I know because of actual geographic or natural causes, all of these things are happening.